SLI's innovations sit at the intersection of sustainability and inclusive growth. They are building smart, technology-enabled buildings in dense urban markets more cheaply and more efficiently that use less energy over time. That makes all the sense in the world.
As a person who has built affordable housing for the past decade, the building methods leave a lot to be desired. And I've long been frustrated that, I'm only able to put 1 to 2, maybe 300 units in place at a time. It just isn't enough, and it isn't fast enough.
We can't build enough, quickly enough, efficiently enough, in a scalable enough way. And so we started looking for people who were thinking about solving that problem. Very early in the exploration, came across SLI, and we were really blown away and impressed with the forethought that they had, how much they had put into this, and that they were real. They had a real product. They'd established they were building buildings. These are architects, engineers. They know what they're doing, and we're very, very impressed with that.
I started working with SLI because of their different way of approaching buildings. They looked at buildings as a product and an efficient way to deliver that product. It's a straightforward kit of parts that go together in the field. It's simple, it's repeatable. SLI's technology allows us to take that and transfer it to other markets, starting here in Seattle, moving to San Francisco, LA, Chicago, other places, to really bring that technology and that access to housing across the nation.
As real estate investors, we need to underwrite specific projects incorporating transformative ideas, not just the ideas themselves. SLI, as a leader in building technology and sustainable construction, has moved beyond the idea phase. Their solutions are reality, and more sustainable, more affordable buildings are coming out of the ground as we speak.
Which is good for everyone. It's good, better returns for your investors, better livability, better environmental impact. It's really very, very cool and very unique to SLI.
303 Battery, an SLI project that we're invested in, is not only the world's first net zero energy multifamily tower, but also has 90% of its units priced at a level affordable to moderate and middle income families. The combination of a more sustainable and more affordable option was really compelling to us.
It is not a building, it is a miracle. It is a miracle of innovation. It is a miracle of environmental sustainability. It is a miracle of housing affordability. It is a quantum leap forward to the most pressing needs of humanity right now. I can't express how exciting this is.
303 Battery will have over 5,000 IoT points. And what that allows us to do is collect data from every single aspect of the building and feed back into our model to understand how can we do this better. It also provides that data back to the users so they can be a part of the solution, they can be part of the savings and the operation of those buildings on a daily basis.
The SLI Connect system is going to allow us to have visibility into things that I've always wanted and couldn't really have, and I'm very excited about it. We are going to have solar panels, we're going to have water reclamation. I am really excited to see the performance of this building in action in comparison to our other buildings that were built with the other type of construction.
Their supply chain feeds their factory, feeds their panels, feeds their buildings, feeds their crews who go out and build it on site and hand the keys to the owner. That's a very different model and a very different paradigm than the traditional construction paradigm.
And so SLI's ability to produce high-performance panelized buildings and their patent-protected technology are potentially really disruptive innovations to the real estate industry, which is in so many ways slow to change and modernize.
Yeah, I think SLI has tremendous capability to change literally the world that we live in. We're talking about being able to build our infrastructure in an entirely different way in an industry that hasn't changed a lot and is ripe for change and ripe for disruption. And I think the timing is tremendous for SLI.